دشمنی آمریکا با ایران به خاطر چیست؟ 45 سال است که دولت‌های آمریکا از انواع و اقسام افراد و اشخاص و احزاب گوناگون آمریکا که سر کار آمدن همین دشمنی را، همین تحریم را، همین تهدید را نسبت به جمهوری اسلامی و ملت عزیز ایران داشتن. علت چیه؟ در گذشته این علت رو کتمان می‌کردن تحت عناوین گوناگونی به عنوان تروریسم، به عنوان حقوق بشر، به عنوان مسئله زن، به عنوان دموکراسی. تحت این عنوان گذشته ها اینجور حرف می زدن. این آقایی که امروز سر کار در آمریکا مسئله رو لو داد، اون هدف حقیقی رو روشن کرد. گفت ما مقابلمون با ایران، با ملت ایران، برای این است که ایران گوش به فرمان آمریکا باشه.
What do you want to say about sanctions, something else you've been working on, of course? What are you planning there in terms of Iran and the impact there? Do sanctions actually work? And the same question with regard to 500% secondary sanctions or tariffs on countries who purchase energy products from Russia.
Okay, so two things there. There are Treasury sanctions. And if you look at a speech that I gave at the Economic Club of New York last March, I said that I believe the Iranian currency was on the verge of collapse, that if I were an Iranian citizen, I would take my money out. President Trump ordered Treasury and our OFAC division, Office of Foreign Asset Control, to put maximum pressure on Iran, and it's worked. Because in December, their economy collapsed. We saw a major bank go under. The central bank has started to print money. There is a dollar shortage. They are not able to get imports. And this is why the people took to the street. So this is economic statecraft. No shots fired. And things are moving in a very positive way here.